Alright. Oh, been super busy. I haven't been really recording much. I haven't done too much. Really just little bodywork things here and there. I'll show you. Like the big dent in this quarter, I kind of smoothed it out as best I could. I still needs a little bit of massaging. All the dents along here, got them looking pretty good. I just need to make like a bullseye pick and get the tiny little low spots that I see. But put my steering shaft in. So right now, I'll show you my doohickey. I have, let's see if I can't get some shade in this. Alright, so I modified my F1 steering box to fit pretty much where the Model A steering box was. So this is the original hole and this is the other original hole, but I had to drill one over here. And since I did that, the sector shaft kind of gets shifted over to here. And I had this tube notcher. Forgot who makes it. JMR tube notcher. And kind of just clamped it up on the frame. And I'm just gonna slowly cut that in. All right. When you're doing this kind of drilling half a hole thing with a hole saw, it can get pretty hairy. So I'm gonna just go slow. I'm gonna go slow and use cutting oil because this is the right way to do it, but it's not the safest, I guess you would say. I don't know. Confusing. It's the right way, isn't it's gonna, their end result is gonna be a nice hole. But, you know, I could break my arm, break a finger. We'll see what happens. Yep. Look at that, perfect. Alright, look at that hole. Perfect. I don't even think I'm gonna put a little half moon there because it's not even really noticeable. But I'll have to cover that there. Now I'm gonna unbolt the steering box again, clean everything up, and actually put the sector shaft in, and it should be kind of where it belongs for now. Alright, now I gotta figure out how I turn the shaft so that this is pointing straight down at halfway. So alright, so I bent this the opposite way of the way it was. So let's see if it works. I just need one piece. I need this hoop that goes on this driver's side. Then I can attach the drag link, and hopefully this thing will steer itself. Yank the motor out because I want to mount the pedals. Alright, so since I can't get the pedals in with this assembled, I think I'm gonna have to put this in disassembled every time. Hey, and it works. see. Okay, so that fits. There it is. I'm going to cut this out so my clutch pedal will have some travel, because right now it just hits this. So I need to cut this out. But for that radius, I think I'm going to use this like I did the hole for the steering. Just going to clamp this on here where it needs to be. You know, attach my drill to the end of it. Slowly punch that hole through. Alright, looks good there. So, if you have one of these, you need to drill holes and stuff, awkward places. Works pretty good. Steering box is back in. Pedals are bent out of the way. Should be enough room. I think it's gonna start like there. Maybe here. I don't know. I'll figure it out though.